Hello, hi, it's Dr. Erica. Thank you for joining me on this particular video. I'm just going to briefly give you a website called RxList, rxlist.com. It has the latest on all drug medications, prescription, and over the counter. If you need any information outside of this channel, that pertains to medication ID or medication information in particular, specifically prescription medications, then visit rxlist.com. I just learned about this particular website today. It has tools and resources for laypersons as well as healthcare professionals. So, again, it's all free, no charge to anyone, and this information is available. All you do is search the item that you're looking for. Say, for example, you want to look up a medication called um, isosorbide. Okay, you type in isosorbide in the search engine on the website, hit submit, and you get all sorts of knowledgeable, up to date research information for that particular drug, and you can't go wrong. It's online. If you are tech savvy and you are comfortable with reading up on information, they also reference webmd.com. So I think these are great resources online for lay persons who just want to learn about medications, for side effects, from drug interactions, from mechanism of action. Those sort of informations are available, so I do recommend it. Also, I came across this particular website because I was looking up the top 100 or top 10 even over the counter medications, and they do have lists. Again, hence the name of the website. They do have a list of medications, and the lists are ranked according to popularity of purchase. So, for example, the top 10 over-the-counter medications will include those medications that are most commonly purchased, okay, such as pseudoephedrine, phenylephrine for nasal congestion, allergy medications, sanitary napkins, and incontinence uh, napkins as well, and also medications not only for allergy and stuffy nose, but mucus relief. All those common things that we go to the drugstore to pick up. This rxlist.com gives that information. It lets you know what's the most popular medication on the over the counter um, department shelf. And so you can go and look that up. And if you agree, make the purchase. So I particularly like this particular resource. And it's a new resource that I've just learned about for lay persons. And I'm sharing it with you today. So do check them out, and their website is in the title. And I know some resources are particular about who they share information with, and the ones that I choose to reference are for healthcare providers in particular because of the language and the terminology that they use in those resources. So RX List is different. RxList.com is different because it gives information for the public, general public, and it gives information on a level that is understandable to the general public. They don't talk in large, big word terms, as you might say, but they give medical dictionary information as well, which I think is good. For example, they have a medical dictionary in case you need to look up a word, or you hear about a word from your doctor's office and you forget about what that word means. Then you can go to the medical dictionary, resource the medical dictionary on the rxlist.com, and you get a definition. You get a definition. I think it's a very lucrative, very effective website. I don't know who came up with this particular website, but it's reputable, and it is a website that I'm sharing with you today. So if it wasn't reputable, I wouldn't mention it at all, because that's not what we do as healthcare providers. It's considered the Internet Drug Index, and I think it's very well put together, and so that's why I'm recommending it for anyone out there in the general public that needs that particular that information. So thank you for joining me on this particular video. I'm Dr. Erica. Take care. Bye bye.